Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're analyzing Ethereum, ticker symbol ETHUSD. We're going to be looking at both the news and the chart data to figure out what to expect in the near future. Recent Google searches reveal a mix of news and opinions about Ethereum, including price predictions, market volatility, and U.S. government policy. Let's start by summarizing some of the key news items. President Trump has ushered crypto CEOs into the White House and ordered a strategic Bitcoin reserve, signaling a possible shift in the regulatory landscape. However, the U.S. government confirmed that the Bitcoin reserve is Bitcoin only, excluding Ethereum, XRP, and other altcoins. Some analysts suggest Ethereum's recent price drop is due to market volatility and competition from newer cryptocurrencies like Solana. There's also news about a $3 billion Bitcoin and Ethereum options expiry today, which could introduce significant price volatility. Ethereum's Pectra upgrade is facing potential delays due to testnet issues. Despite these challenges, some analysts predict Ethereum could reach $7,000 by the end of 2025, contingent on increased institutional adoption and technical improvements. Now let's turn our attention to the daily chart for ETHUSD. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a long-term uptrend that started in late 2023 and continued into early 2025. However, the price has experienced significant volatility in recent months. We recently saw a peak near the $4,000 level in March 2025, followed by a sharp correction. Notice the large red candle on March 5, 2025, indicating a strong sell-off. This candle tested support around the $3,200 level. Following the sell-off, we've seen a period of consolidation, with the price fluctuating between approximately $2,000 and $3,600. The large wick on the March 5 candle shows that the price went much lower than just $3,200. The recent price action has been choppy, with both bullish and bearish signals. There are some green candles following that crash, but the chart shows a struggle to maintain upward momentum, which may be related to news regarding the Ethereum reserve. Today, March 8th, we see the price is continuing this uncertain consolidation between $3,800 and $3,900. Now, let's zoom into the 1-hour chart for a closer look at recent price action. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can observe more detail on the recent price fluctuations. We can see increased volatility in the past few days leading up to today, March 8th. The hourly candles show attempts to break above $3,900, but these rallies have been consistently met with selling pressure, suggesting this level is acting as resistance. The price has been bouncing between roughly $3,822 and $3,941, suggesting this range is a short-term battleground. There is likely short-term resistance around $3,941. For a more granular view of today's activity, let's examine the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart shows very recent volatility and a sideways consolidation. The market's still digesting the options expiry and other news. Notice the tight trading range within the last few 15-minute candles. This could indicate indecision in the market. Looking at the 15-minute chart, there's very little volume and lots of indecision, suggesting it's more useful to stick with higher timeframes. In summary, ETHUSD is currently trading in a volatile environment, influenced by both positive and negative news events. The daily chart shows a long-term uptrend, but recent pullbacks have tested key support levels. The hourly chart reveals short-term resistance around $3,941. If the price fails to break above this resistance, we could see further downside towards $3,822. If it breaks $3,941, then watch for the major psychological resistance of $4,000. The 15-minute chart highlights the short-term indecision, but I would weight the daily and hourly higher than the 15-minute for this reason. Key price levels to watch are the support around $3,200 on the daily chart and resistance at approximately $3,941 on the hourly. A break below the $3,200 level could signal a longer-term bearish trend, potentially leading to further declines to $2,800 or even lower. A sustained move above $4,000 would suggest a resumption of the uptrend, targeting higher prices such as $4,300. Given the current market conditions, it's crucial to monitor news flow and price action closely. It's also important to note the upcoming Ethereum Pectra upgrade, which could introduce both opportunities and risks. Remember to manage your risk appropriately and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching. Explain the charts.